I'm sorry for the interruption. Somebody called me and the line was cut. So instead of going out at 11 o'clock, he asked me to meet him at 11:30. So and from here to there is just 5 minutes. So maybe I'll go out at 11:25. So I'll let you see the road later. I'm so sorry. DMS Vieira is did I pronounce it right? I'm so sorry. So I will talk to you until I'm heading out. So okay, there is okay. So ah, okay. I think you are sleeping already. So you're hi Marivic 65. Hi, hi. How are you? Kabayan, where are you? Asan ka po ngayon? Kamusta? Kamusta? Um, andito ako ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ayan, nasa bahay. It's holiday here. It's October 31, so lahat ng tao ay papunta sa sementeryo. Um, it's traditional na bibisitahin nila yung mga yumao nilang mahal sa buhay. Ayan, since ako ang yumao kong mahal sa buhay ay ang aking grandparents in both side and nakalibing sila sa province, hindi kami makakapunta. So, another tradition here kapag malayo is magtitirik na lang ng kandila. Yon. So, mamaya magtitirik ako ng kandila. Pero lalabas muna ako kasi mas magandang magtirik ng kandila kapag ka naandito ka para nababantayan kasi baka biglang mag-cause ng sunog, 'di ba? So, yun. And then ipapag-pray natin. So, yung iba naman pumupunta sa church, doon sila nagtitirik ng kandila, nagbibigay ng prayer, and then uuwi na. And then another tradition during this day na All Souls Day and All Saints Day ay nagluluto sila ng biko. In English, it is the sticky rice. Ayan. So, some of them, they also make suman. Ayan, made from sticky rice. For foreigners who are watching, I want to explain what is suman. It is made of sticky rice and then they will fold it in coconut leaf. And then they will boil it. And then once it's cooked, you can eat it with sugar if you want, or nothing. So it's also one of the Filipino delicacies here in our country. Ayan. Hi, Marivic 65 channel.